What's the meaning of Afghan hound? Afghan hound. Afghan hound. Afghan hound. Afghan hound. Afghan hound. The Afghan hound is a breed of dog that originated in Afghanistan and is known for its long, silky coat and elegant appearance. This breed was originally used for hunting in the rugged mountains of Afghanistan, where it would chase down game such as gazelles and hares. Afghan hounds are typically large dogs with a distinctive appearance, characterized by their tall, lean bodies and long, flowing hair. They are also known for their independent and aloof personalities, making them a unique and sometimes challenging breed to train and care for.